Today on the ROY Garage, we mount the foot pedal and the brake booster. We're gonna come right here so that way we don't run into that steering. We have the location, now it's drilling the 4 holes. We gotta drill a hole right here and it's gotta be 2.5 inches in diameter.
Hi guys, I went and I got this 2.5 inch, but then I realized, hey, so there's basically this.
Oh geez, I think I totally bent the crap out of that. It looks like it got bent right here, so I'm gonna try and hack this off. There we go. See how straight that is? Let's see if that works, huh? My mistake was I should have drilled this first without this on here, and then put this on here, so then it's just a guide. Lesson learned. Wow, that actually finished pretty easy. Look at that, huh? Look at there, guys. Let's drill those other 4 holes and get this thing bolted in here. Got that on there. Let's see what it looks like with this. There you have it. She's mounted. What I need to do is I need to connect this to this right below the carburetor so you get vacuum off of this, which comes into here, and that helps you get the brake assist.
Do you ever find yourself in a weird position working on a vehicle project or wrenching on something just a little too hard? Well, I know I do, and I know I need an adjustment to get myself back in line. Today's episode is brought to you by HealthSource Chiropractic of Mashall, Minnesota. Listen to your body whisper so you don't have to hear it scream. You can request an appointment by going to their website, healthsourcechiro.com, linked below, and they do have a limited time offer, $29 new patient exam and x-rays. HealthSource Chiropractic of Mashall, Minnesota.
A little tight on it. That's all right. There we go. I'm gonna get the foot pedal on here and get it hooked up to that. So I have it in here. I put it the furthest out it could go. It's not where I'm gonna keep it, but there's a ton of travel here. I don't think I'm gonna need that once the brake lines and fluid gets put into the lines, because all of that's gonna turn into pressure. Hopefully, like, I get to here and it's just pressure. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, hit the subscribe button, and turn on notifications so you know when a new video comes out. If you want to learn more about supporting the ROY Garage, go to www.patreon.com/the ROY Garage.